Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now we are going to continue what we have learned before on the subtopic integration by part. Okay, so let us recall what we have learned. So this is the formula for integration by part. So it comes from the formula of the product rule. So we have discussed this one before. Okay, so integrate u dv, it is equivalent to uv minus integrate of v du. So you need to remember this. You can refer to the page 221. To integrate by parts, we need to strategically choose the u and the dv, then apply the formula. So which one will be your u and which one will be your dv? So I will tell you later. Choose u and dv so that u is very easy to differentiate, and we have to choose dv where dv is very easy for you to integrate. Then when you try to integrate v of the du, it is easier for you to solve than the original question. Okay, this is another strategy or guideline for you to choose which one will become your u and which one will become your dv. We are using the acronym LIAT. L-I-A-T. L stand for logarithmic, and I stand for inverse trigonometric, A stand for algebraic, T stand for trigonometric, and the last one E stand for exponential. It doesn't work all the time, but most of the time it works. Okay, now look at to the class exercise page 222. We can try to use that acronym LIATE. We need to integrate this function. So which one will be your u? So in this case, u is equivalent to 2x. Then when you try to differentiate u, so you will get 2 dx. So what will be your dv? So e power of x dx. So then how do you get v? So by integrate your dv. So integrate dv, integrate e power of x dx. So it is equivalent to e power of x. Okay, now we can apply the formula. 2x e power of x dx is equivalent to uv. So your u is 2x, your v is e power of x minus with the v du, your v is e power of x, your du is 2 dx. Then we can rearrange here. So 2x e power of x minus with the 2, we can put that 2 outside, e power of x dx. Then next step, integrate. So integrate e power of x, you still get e power of x plus c. Or you can also take out that 2 e power of x, then what left in the bracket, x minus 1, and then plus c. So this one is your final answer. Look at to the question number 2, class exercise page 222. Okay, by using this guideline LIATE, so the most suitable function that will be your u is equivalent to x. So in this case we have exponential function, therefore our dv is equivalent to 5 power of 3x dx. Differentiate u, so you will get dx. Then how to get v? By integrate your dv, it is equivalent to integrate 5 power of 3x of dx. Okay, how to solve that integration 5 power of 3x dx? So it is actually equivalent to, in this case, you have to apply substitution method. Normally, substitution method, we always use this. It is not suitable for you to choose u because you already use u before for the integration by part. So we have to choose another letter. So let's say we let our w is equivalent to 3x, then dw equivalent to 3 dx. 1 over 3 dw is equivalent to dx. By using substitution method, 5 power of 3x will become 5 power of w. So what will be your dx? So substitute with the 1 over 3 dw. So 1 over 3 dw. So we can always put our constant in front. 1 over 3 integrate of 5 power of the value of the dw. When you have b power of x of the dx, so it is equivalent to b power of x over ln b plus c. 1 over 3, then 5 power of w over ln 5. 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5. Now, how to solve your question? Integrate x, 5 power of 3x dx. So, by applying the formula of integration by part, uv, so your u is x, your v is 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5. Then minus with the v du, so your v is 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5. Your du is dx. Next, x, 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5 minus with, actually as you can see, 1 over 3 ln 5 is just a constant, so we can put it outside. 1 over 3 ln 5 integrate 5 power of 3x dx. Okay, this one is repeated. So how do you integrate 5 power of 3x dx just now? By using substitution method, at the end you will get the answer 5 power of 3x 3 ln 5. So we just substitute this one here. X, 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5, then minus with the 1 over 3 ln 5, then 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5, and then plus c. We have 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5 here, and also on the other side. So it's better for you to factor out. 5 power of 3x over 3 ln 5, then x minus with the, so we have another 1 over 3 ln 5 here, and then plus c. So this is your final answer.